So are you kind of looking for that gold standard small business loans? Well, SBA loans, or sometimes called SBA 7A loans, a lot of people know about these, especially if you're involved in like local business communities and you go to different like meetups and things like that. People will talk a lot about SBA loans. So these are powerful funding options available to business owners. They typically have really, really low interest rates compared to other types of funding options. They're usually longer repayment terms compared to a lot of other more traditional funding options. And a lot of times you can access up to $5 million in funding. Now, I'm going to be upfront with you. There are some drawbacks. Number one is the length of time it takes to get approval. Usually it's going to take several months, and there's a lot of paperwork involved in these. But if you're an established business and you're looking to get a large amount of capital with low interest rates, SBA loans might be a really, really good option for you. So, for example, 2 years in business, 640 plus FICO score, and again, minimum $5,000 monthly in revenue. That could potentially qualify you for up to $5 million. Obviously, the more revenue, the higher FICO, and the longer in business, you can get closer to that $5 million mark. The more brand new you are, you're looking at, obviously lower dollar amounts that they'll give you. So, for example, just a quick example. Let's say you're a manufacturing company. You want to expand a little bit, so you secure that $1 million SBA 7A loan. You're able to expand your facility, hire additional staff. That increased production gives you more capacity. In turn, it leads to more revenue, allows you to grow even more. And because the SBA loan is stretched out over a longer period of time and it's a lower interest rate, you're able to actually scale up without being crushed by short repayment timelines and without being crushed by interest rates. So to see if you even qualify for an SBA 7 loan and to learn more about them, in the description below, there's a quick survey, so just click the link below for the survey. It takes about 2 or 3 minutes to fill out is all. It's just basic questions about your business. So things like revenue, how long you've been in business, etc. From there, as soon as you submit that survey, it's going to allow you to book a free call with one of our funding specialists. On that call, they're going to use the information you provided in the survey, and they're going to let you know potential funding options. So we've got a lot of options besides just helping you with SBA 7A loans, because we work with over 70 lending partners. So we've got a ton of options for you. And so based on what you provide in that survey, the information, the funding specialist is going to basically make the call as productive as possible, tell you all your potential funding options, answer any questions you have. Then from there, you can make a decision on, do you want to move forward or not? Totally fine if you don't want to. But our goal is just to provide you with information so you can make the right decision for your business. Now, if you do decide to move forward, then the funding specialist will tell you exactly what paperwork and everything is needed, and they'll walk you through step by step of the entire process until you get your funding. And then we don't just dump you at that point. We don't, do a breakup like in high school or whatever. We stay with you during the process. After the process, we're still working with you. We're still available to answer questions. And we hope you come back for additional funding, in the future. We've got a lot of options, like I said. And so our goal is more of a long-term relationship with you so we can help you continue scaling your business, because at the end of the day, if you can scale your business, you can help grow your local community. You can create more jobs. There's just that ripple effect in your local community as you can scale your business more. And that's what we want to do. So click the link below in the description. Take that free 2-minute survey. Fill it out, book your free call with a funding specialist, and just learn your options for funding for your business.